Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Viber not receiving messages. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you. Maybe you have so important message but it couldn't be getting up by not receiving problem. Firstly, when you get up and fix this problem, you need to make sure that when you get up into your Play Store and on the search box you type for Viber, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Viber. If you don't have it, you're gonna be able to update it by simply click on your right side, in which it will not shows up open, it will shows up simply update, and you will just click on it, and the update section of getting up the latest version, it will start up automatically. When you get up the latest version, you need to get up on your settings on your phone. Then you need to go and search for Viber. When you find out Viber on your settings on your phone, you need to go clear all data, then clear all cache. And when you get up all these sections, also you can go for the section which is called data usage. Here guys, you can get up and turn off all these sections, and then you can turn on it back and it will brings you to the main point. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.